Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So today being December 1st, 2021, I wanted to revisit one setup that I discussed with you guys a lot. Now I'm going to keep it brief. So this method is going to be linked in the description of the video for free. I should say that. So I explained this method. We got tons and tons of free videos on that playlist. It's called the Ultimate Muathe Sell Signal. It is the exact opposite of what I call the Ultimate Muathe Breakout. So of course the Ultimate Muathe Breakout is for stocks that are breaking out with momentum, and the Ultimate Muathe Sell Signal is for stocks that are breaking down with downside momentum. So let's take a look at the first stock here, which is going to set the stage, and I'm only going to discuss one stock, and the rest of them is going to be homework for you. All right, so this is the stock here, and this is as of end of September. End of September 2021. So this is what the chart looked like. Now you can see, if we take a look at the RSI and MACDs, by the end of September, the stock was just about, the threat of breaking to 3-year lows was there. This is the RSI. We can see by end of September 2021, the RSI, the MACD, one of the MACDs had already broken below to 3-year lows. Remember, for my charts, I use 2 MACD settings. So the first MACD setting is 5, 8, 3. The other MACD setting that I use is 13, 21, 8. And I prefer to use these numbers because they are part of the Fibonacci series sequence. But at any rate, what we're talking about here is by end of September, there was the risk for lower prices for this stock as the RSI moved to 3-year lows. Remember, this is a monthly chart. I guess I should have mentioned that. It's a monthly chart. It gives you the big picture point of view. So the RSI was at 3-year lows, very close to breaking down. The MACD had just pushed to 3-year lows, another red flag. So this is as of end of September, which meant it met the minimum requirements. Now the stock was trading at that time at around 70. So let's say, actually it was trading at about 68 was where it closed the month of September, 68-ish. And if we take a look at the current monthly chart, now we see that since that break, which actually took place, prices have dropped from 68, thereabouts, to under 25 as of last month. And all of that because it met the minimum requirements for the Ultimate Muathe Sell Signal, as we just mentioned. So the risk was well telegraphed by the stock right here. And that's one way to avoid being part of a washout. Now, on this all data monthly chart, we can also see that there was another earlier sell signal. If we draw the previous RSI lows line, notice how it connects perfectly with the lows here from 2016, lows of 2019, late 2019, lows of early 2020, lows of early 2021. The RSI broke down on this trend line here when prices were trading in the 80s and 90s. So that was another red flag. Now, for the following group of stocks, we can see that all of them are showing similar Ultimate Muathe Sell signals as of this moment. So the risk is there. And the homework is, can you see why they are looking like they could continue down if the momentum continues. So the first stock that you can look into as meeting a minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout is OKTA. And all of these are 3-year monthly charts. The other stock that was a big winner last year, and I hope you didn't miss this nice run, big run up in 2021, in 2020 I should say, 2020. The stock is TWTO. But now we can see what the RSI and MACDs are doing. So the homework is, do you see the ultimate Muathe minimum requirements being met? The next stock that is also showing a similar look is RNG. This has been a big winner over the last couple of years. This has been a big time moving stock over the years. But since peaking in early 2021, things have changed and we can see the potential. As of right now, if you agree, does it meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal? Does it? And then the last one that you can look into is the Brazilian stock, MELI. Had a big run also in 2020, big run up, and I hope you did not miss this big move. Now the question for you is, as homework, does this stock meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal? Does it? Do you think it is a risk for lower prices? Now, here's a question for you also as homework. If these stocks are all breaking down, what does it mean for the general market? And here is your general market. And so it is. Again, links are in the description. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the love and in the light of the one prime creator. Adonai.